Hey guys, this is Diane from Treasures from Jones with another health and wellness video. The keto diet is hitting its heights of popularity today, so let's talk about the 8 health benefits of keto dieting. If you're looking for a general overview of the keto diet, you may want to check out the Ketogenic Diet Review, episode 1, linked in the description below. Today's focus is on the benefits of lowering your carbs and eating fats that convert easily to energy, weight loss, and better health. This is an exciting and informative topic, so let's get started. Although ketogenic diet is popularly known as a rapid fat loss diet, it's actually more than meets the eye. In fact, weight loss and higher levels of energy are bonus products of the keto diet. It has been scientifically proven that the keto diet has many additional medical benefits. Let's begin by stating that a high carbohydrate diet, with its many processed ingredients and sugars, has absolutely no health benefits. These are merely empty calories, and most processed foods rob your body of the nutrients it needs to remain healthy. Here is a list of actual benefits for lowering your carbohydrates and eating foods that convert to energy. Benefit number 1, control of blood sugar. Keeping blood sugar at a low level is critical to manage and prevent diabetes. The keto diet has been proven to be extremely effective in preventing diabetes. Many people suffering from diabetes are also overweight. That makes an easy weight loss regimen a natural. But the keto diet does more. Carbohydrates get converted to sugar, which for diabetes can result in a sugar spike. A diet low in carbohydrates prevents these spikes and allows more control over blood sugar levels. Benefit number 2, mental focus. The keto diet is based on protein, fats, and low carbs. Eating a keto diet forces fat to become the primary source of energy. Keto dieting is not the normal Western diet, which can be quite deficient in nutrients, particularly fatty acids, which are needed for proper brain function. When people suffer from cognitive diseases, such as Alzheimer's, the brain isn't using enough glucose, thus becomes lacking in energy. And the brain has difficulty functioning at a high level. The keto diet provides an additional energy source for the brain. A study by the American Diabetes Association found that type 1 diabetics improved their brain function after consuming coconut oil. That same study indicated that people who suffer from Alzheimer's may experience improved memory capacity on a keto diet. Those with Alzheimer's have seen improved memory scores that might correlate with the amount of ketone levels present. What does this mean to the average person? With the emphasis on fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6 found in seafood, the keto diet is likely to fuel the brain with nutrients to help achieve a healthier mental state. The brain tissue is made up largely of fatty acids. You've heard fish referred to as brain food, and the increased consumption of those fatty acids will lead to improved brain health. Our body does not produce fatty acids on its own. We can only obtain it through our diet. And the keto diet is rich in fatty acids. But a diet high in carbohydrates can lead to a foggy brain, where you have difficulty in focusing. But focusing becomes easier with the increased energy provided by the keto diet. In fact, many people who have no need or desire to lose weight use the keto diet to improve and enhance brain functions. Benefit number 3, increased energy. It's not unusual to feel tired and drained at the end of the day as a result of a poor carbohydrate-laden diet. Fat is a more efficient source of energy, leaving you feeling more vitalized than you would have on a sugar rush. Benefit number 4, acne. While most of the benefits of a keto diet are well documented, one benefit catches some people by surprise: better skin and less acne. Acne is fairly common. 90% of teens suffer from it, and many adults do as well. While it was always thought that acne was exaggerated by poor diet, controlled research is still being conducted. However, many people on the keto diet have reported clearer skin. There may be a logical reason. A 1972 study found that high levels of insulin can cause the eruption of acne. Since a keto diet keeps insulin at a low and healthy level, it may very well affect skin health. In addition, acne thrives on inflammation. The ketogenic diet eases and reduces inflammation, thus enabling the body to decrease acne eruptions. Fatty acids, which are found in abundance in fish, are a known anti-inflammatory. While research is still being done, it seems likely that a keto diet has beneficial effects for clearer, healthier, more glowing skin. Benefit number 5, keto and anti-aging. Many diseases are a natural result of the aging process. While there have not been studies done on humans, studies on mice have shown brain cell improvement on a keto diet. Several studies have shown a positive effect of the keto diet on patients with Alzheimer's disease. What we do know is that a diet filled with good nutrients and antioxidants, low in sugar, high in protein, and healthy fats while low in carbohydrates enhances our overall health. It protects us from the toxins of a poor diet. There is also research indicating that using fatty acids for fuel instead of sugar may slow down the aging process, possibly because of the negative effects that sugar has on overall well-being. In addition, the simple act of eating less and consuming fewer calories is a matter of good basic health, as it prevents obesity and its inherent side effects. So far, studies have been limited. However, considering the powerful positive effects of the ketogenic diet on our health, assume a keto diet will help you age well while delaying the natural effect of aging. A normal Western diet, full of sugars and processed foods, are certainly detrimental to warding off the signs of aging. Benefit number 6, keto and hunger. One of the major reasons diets fail is hunger. People who feel hungry and deprived simply give up. A low carbohydrate diet naturally leaves people feeling full and satisfied. Less hunger means people will actually remain on the diet longer while consuming fewer calories. Benefit number 7, keto and eyesight. Diabetics are aware that high blood sugar can lead to a higher risk of developing cataracts. Since the keto diet controls sugar levels, it can help retain eyesight and help prevent cataracts. This has been proven in several studies involving diabetic patients. Benefit number 8, keto and autism. We know the keto diet affects brain function. In a study on autism, it was found that it also had a positive effect on autism. 30 autistic children were placed on a keto diet. All showed improved autistic behavior, especially those on the milder autistic spectrum. While more studies are needed, the results were extremely positive. Thank you very much for watching episode 2 of the Ketogenic Diet. Treasures from Jones focuses on everyday simple health and wellness topics that we hope you find valuable. If you like this content, please like, subscribe, comment, tell a friend, and repost. Also, please hit the notification button so you'll know when we post episode 3 of our series on the keto diet.